Welcome to one of Washington State's most breathtaking hidden gems, the Palouse, a place where history, nature, and adventure meet in the mesmerizing waves of rolling hills, like a landscape painting come to life. First, let's talk history. The Palouse was originally inhabited by the Nez Perce and Palouse tribes. In the mid-1800s, settlers were drawn here, not only for the beauty, but for the rich, fertile soil. The Palouse became one of America's most productive agricultural regions, especially known for wheat and lentil farming. Which brings us to the geography. The Palouse is defined by its unique rolling hills that stretch across southeast Washington, western Idaho, and parts of Oregon. These hills were formed over millennia through a combination of volcanic activity and glacial winds, leaving behind loess, fine, fertile soil ideal for farming. Farming is the heartbeat of the Palouse. The region's vast wheat fields produce some of the highest yields in the world, and its famous lentils, they've made Palouse the lentil capital of the United States. Every August, the National Lentil Festival celebrates this humble crop with parades, cooking contests, and of course, delicious lentil-based dishes. But there's more to Palouse than farming. The undulating landscape is a playground for outdoor enthusiasts. From scenic drives to hiking at Kamiak Butte, biking the Palouse to Cascades Trail, and birdwatching at Steptoe Butte, there's something for everyone. And photographers, get ready. The patchwork of greens and golds, especially at sunrise and sunset, makes the Palouse a dream destination. Getting to Palouse is as smooth as its rolling hills. If you're coming from Seattle, it's about a 5-hour drive, heading east on I-90 before taking US Route 195. Alternatively, fly into Pullman-Moscow Regional Airport and you'll be minutes away from the heart of Palouse. Before you head out to explore, here are a few travel safety tips. Always pack plenty of water and sunscreen. The wide open hills offer little shade, and temperatures can rise quickly in summer. Be cautious of farm machinery on the roads, especially during harvest season, and respect private land by sticking to designated trails and public areas. While visiting, remember that the Palouse is a working agricultural area. Local ordinances encourage visitors to be mindful of farming operations and private property. And don't forget, leave no trace. Help preserve this pristine landscape for future generations. When is the best time to visit? Spring and summer offer stunning wildflower blooms and emerald green fields, while fall brings a cascade of golden hues across the hills. Late spring to early fall is the prime window for outdoor activities, but every season offers something special in the Palouse. So, whether you're a photographer, a nature lover, or just someone seeking a peaceful escape, the Palouse in Washington State is calling. Get ready to explore a place where the beauty of nature meets the warmth of small-town hospitality, and adventure is just beyond the next rolling hill.